In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make any PDF searchable using Adobe Acrobat. This is perfect if you have scanned documents or image-based PDFs that you want to be able to search or copy text from. Let's get started. First things first, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. If it's been a while since you've launched it, don't worry, everything we'll cover is straightforward. Once it's open, you'll want to click on File in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Open, and then choose the PDF file you wish to make searchable. If you tend to have a lot of documents open, make sure you pick the right one to avoid any confusion later. Next, we're going to navigate to the top of the window and click on the Tools tab. This area is where all the magic happens in Adobe Acrobat. Scroll down until you see the option called Scan and OCR. Selecting this tool is crucial because it's what enables us to transform the text within your PDF from a static image into something that's searchable and selectable. Now look at the toolbar just beneath the main ribbon. You'll find an option labeled Recognize Text. Click on that and then choose In this file from the drop-down menu. You'll see a dialog box pop up. This box might seem a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry, it's simply there to allow you to customize some settings before we proceed further. Within this dialog box, you'll have a few decisions to make. First, take a look under Recognize Text In. Here you can choose to apply text recognition to all pages if you want the entire document to be searchable. Alternatively, you can specify a particular page range if that suits your needs better. You'll also notice the language option. Be sure to select the correct language that corresponds to the text in your document. The default settings are typically fine for most documents, but if you have specific needs regarding resolution or output style, feel free to tweak those accordingly. Once everything is set, go ahead and click OK to commence the OCR process. Adobe Acrobat will now get to work, scanning and converting the image text into something that can be searched and selected. This might take a moment depending on the size of your document and the speed of your computer. When the process is complete, give your newly searchable PDF a proper save. Head up to File in the menu, then select Save As. It's a good idea to save your file with a distinct name, like Searchable Copy PDF, so you can easily identify it later. Finally, to make sure everything went smoothly, open your saved PDF. Press Ctrl+F if you're on a PC, or Command+F if you're on a Mac, to bring up the search bar. Type in any word you know is in the document, and if it highlights, congratulations. Your PDF is now searchable, and that's how you make a PDF searchable in Adobe Acrobat 2025. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Acrobat tutorials.